All right, let's solve some application problems related to division of whole numbers. So the first question here says room rates vary by service provider. At a local hospital intensive care unit, ICU rooms are $903 a day. So that will be our divisor divided by $903 a day. Bob's overall room charge was $30,702. So how many days did Bob stay in ICU? 903 is the divisor on the outside. 30,702 is the dividend on the inside. 900 doesn't go into 330 or 300. It goes into 3,000 approximately 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 0 is 0. And 3 times 9 is 27. Find this difference, we'll have to borrow. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down the 6. Borrow again. 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. We don't put leading zeros. Let's go ahead and bring down the 2. So now let's try 4 times 900 is 3,600. That's pretty close. In fact, I think that's exactly right to put 4 there because 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. And 4 times 9 is 36. And we have a remainder of 0, which is what we wanted. He should have been there a whole number of days because you don't get, it doesn't look like you get charged on parts of a day here. So he was in the hospital for 34 days, in ICU for 34 days. Medical assistant subscribes to 11 magazines for the office. The total subscription bill is $275. What is the average cost per magazine subscription? So if we have to, let's hope that this answer is in a whole number here, but if we would not answer with a remainder here, we would answer with a decimal to 2 cents. This is probably going to come out to be a whole number though. 11 doesn't go into 2, but it does go into 27. 2 times 11 is 22 with a difference of 5. Bring down that 5, and then 11 goes into 55 5 times. 5 times 11 is 55 with a remainder of 0. And so we have an average subscription price of $25 per subscription. Surgical technologist made $37,332 last year. He is paid 3 times a month. What is the gross amount he is for each of his paychecks? So he should have 3 times 12 should be a total of 36 paychecks that he should get for the year. Did you catch that? 3 times a month, 12 months. 3 times 12 is 36. Is my divisor, so he's going to get 36 paychecks. And then we have per year. And then we have this many dollars per year, and we want to get dollars per paycheck. So 36 into 37,332. 36 goes into 37 one time, the remainder of 1. 36 isn't going to go into 13 at all. So 133. Let's try 4 because 4 times 30 is 120. So this is 4 times 6 is 24. This is going to be too big, 12. and 2 is 144. So let's go down to 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. That's good. Let's borrow. 13 minus 8 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. Let's bring down this 2. So now let's try let's try 6. Let's try 7. 7. So 36, 42. And then 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25, 252 exactly. So the gross amount of each paycheck should be $1,037 exactly. And then each gram of fat contains 9 calories. How many grams of fat are in 18 calories of fat in a piece of steak? So 9 calories per gram. You have 18 calories. So there's 2 exactly. 2 times 9 is 18. So there's 2 grams of fat in that piece of steak. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time to start talking about solving for the unknown number with basic mathematics, and starting with solving for the unknown number in whole number addition. So let's come back for that video next time. See you for the next video.